If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi, welcome back to Larry's Fountain Pens, where something new always happening. So, today I'm going to be reviewing a beautiful pen, in my opinion. Not a big pen, I would say more of a pocket pen. But to me, this is one of my favorite brands. Remember, mine. Let's get into it right now. It comes right here in this nice cardboard sleeve, and Mont Blanc is on top of it. Yes, Mont Blanc. And on the back, black, black, and black. So there you go. So let's go inside to it, because that's where all the action is, inside the box. As we go inside the box, and we'll open her up. And what's really cool is this pen case is so unique, and it's just like a book on the side, and then on the back. Okay, and Mr. Announcer, you can do the honors and say the name.
It says Mont Blanc, Friedrich Schiller, limited edition.
Yes. And who is Friedrich Schiller?
He is a playwright from Germany.
Yes.
A few centuries or so back.
And I read up some things about him. Pretty interesting man. And then of course you got your service manual and stuff that's going to tell you instructions on filling the pen. And it's just a remarkable fountain pen. It truly is. So let's open her up. Are we ready? It's the inside. This beautiful pen is laying on like this silk bed, just relaxing and waiting. Comes right out, and there's nothing else in there. And the back of the case is like a foam. Very nice, beautiful. I mean, it's just like you're looking at a book. Very nicely done, very impressive as well. Yeah. Okay, here's the pen. Really just a stunning, beautiful fountain pen. I really like the colors of this fountain pen. They really did an amazing job, Mont Blanc did, putting this pen together. The formula they used on the all the trim they put on here, and just on the top of the cap, you can see the name right there. Can you get a good shot of that name there? And the length of the pen, it's not a big pen. No, it's about 5.3 inches. And it unscrews. And it does post. For those who care to post it, it's 6.3 inches. I have small hands, and you know, this works just fine in my hand. Mr. Announcer has big hands, and I don't think it would do him justice. I don't know.
It's workable. It feels a little short, maybe, but I could probably use it like that.
Okay, but he'd probably have to post it because he has gorilla hands, you know, stuff like that. So, anyway, it is a piston filler, and it does on the barrel, end of the barrel, it does have M, because I don't mark their nibs usually. And the weight of the pen is 28.3 G's, and it does have ink in it. For the second time, I filled it up. And on the top of the barrel, you see the Mont Blanc emblem, beautifully done. And just look at the colors here on the cap, just beautiful. That brown, and how that goes so well with the black, and then you have the nice looking gold clip that's joined with some trimming around here that's on top of the cap of the pen, and it just goes so well. You see like like 3 bands that would go around the cap and hook up to the clip on the edge here, so it's really nice. And then as you go down the barrel, there is another nice gold ring here, and down the barrel we go, and you have 2 nicely done gold rings. Beautiful. So let's unscrew this, and I am not going to post it. And as we go down this barrel, there's no step off, and I like that. I like my grip section to go right into the barrel. It's not a must, but I prefer it that way. So this is really just feels great to the hand. And it is not a big section at all grip, but it's big enough for my fingers. And if you have big chunky fingers still, you can hold it up here, and it's not going to be annoying to you. You can still write for hours. It's just a great fountain pen. And let's look at this nib to die for. This nib is to die for. It's an 18K. It's a medium nib. Beautifully done. Mont Blanc on it. And it's got some designs on it. But Mont Blanc did an outstanding job on this nib. It writes so nicely. It's like butter smooth. It doesn't skip, doesn't meet. It doesn't lose any ink dropping out. It doesn't skip a beat. It's just right there on the money. Just a continuous flow. And just let your hand do the writing with not much pressure at all. It's just a sensational fountain pen to own. So what I want to do next is do some writing. Now this pen, I'll never take it out of the house with me because I've had so many pens either lost, or someone would knock it off the table, or somebody would steal them. So I've been through a few mishaps, so I've learned my lesson the hard way. So let me get some paper here. All righty. Okay, here we go. Just really some great ink flow there. Nice, smooth, beautiful nib. It's just a great nib. It's just you get a really great writing experience. The kind of experience where you don't want to put the pen down, because not only does it feel so amazingly great in your hand, but the nib is so amazing that you just want to keep writing and writing. So now the reverse writing is about like that. So I'm not going to waste my time with it. So, you know, a lot of people would say, I'm not going to pay that kind of money for that pen. And, you know, that's cool. And I perfectly respect that opinion, you know, but for some people, they want a really fine writing instrument, so they get them. And this pen, when I saw it, it was a must. It's just a gorgeous fountain pen. And it, you know, it's the nib as well. It was all I hoped it would be and more. You got to give it to Mont Blanc. I have never had a bad nib with Mont Blanc as of yet. So I hope that journey continues. No, I can't buy them every day of the week. Of course not. Takes me a while to save up money to get pens like this. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Mont Blanc Friedrich.
Schiller.
Thank you, Mr. Announcer. I'm trying to get him more active in these videos. And pretty soon you will be meeting Mr. Announcer January 1st. Oh, wow. Beautiful fountain pen. Just gorgeous. Well, folks, that's going to wrap it up today. I hope you enjoyed today's review because you know what? I had a lot of fun. It was an amazing trip going down Fountain Pen Lane. If you really are a true pen enthusiast, just not a person that goes out and buys pens because I like that or because it's pretty, then you'll know where I'm coming from. You know, yes, they're expensive, but you know what? At the end of the ink ride, you're going to say, I'm glad I pulled the trigger. God bless you. Happy Thanksgiving. A lot of peace and a lot of love coming your way. And as always, be kind to a stranger, my friends. Don't text and don't drive. Bye-bye. We're done.